What's up? It's episode 144 of Inside 300, and we have Tron footage. It only took about 6 years, but that's alright. Welcome into your Disney and Universal News Flash. I'm your host, Brian Perry. Let's go. The lovely folks over at GMA, Good Morning America, had the opportunity to dive into the grid, jealous, and ride Tron Light Cycle Run over at the Magic Kingdom. Disney allowed the hosts to take a spin on the upcoming coaster, complete with footage of their ride experience. Take a look. Here we go.
The Light Cycle Run upload sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward.
Now, of course, Disney is the parent company of ABC, so they're always going to give exclusive looks of their upcoming attractions to their own channel, which makes sense. We have suspected it for a while, but it looks like Tron is identical to Power Run over in Shanghai. Great ride, but I guess a little disappointing. In my personal opinion, the very best place to be on New Year's Eve is Epcot. While the experimental prototype community of tomorrow may be full of awesome dance parties and lights found throughout World Showcase, it is not the only place on property offering special New Year's Eve food and beverage options. Disney released a list of all they are offering on property for the big night this upcoming weekend. First off, I want to point out a few. We've got this all-new Mickey Piñata filled with white chocolate mousse. Not bad. Not sure how it's a piñata, but that's okay. It can be purchased at the All-Star Resort. Finally, the last one I want to point out is this strawberry champagne tart from one of my favorite resorts, Wilderness Lodge. All in all, there are dozens of New Year's Eve options to try sprinkled out throughout each resort. Count me in for at least 5 of them. They all look pretty good, in the words of Larry David. Finally, it is time for this day in Disney history. We go back to 2006, where Disney ends up having to reject incoming guests from 3 different parks due to the insane crowds. Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, and MGM all reached capacity today in 2006 before 2 p.m. I guess no one wanted to go to Epcot that day. That's going to do it for this episode of Inside 300. If you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe. Click that bell icon. Hello, bell. This way you're notified every time we come out with brand new content. I've been your host, Brian Perry. I will see you next time. And, as always,
bye-bye.